జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Aranyakanda. When Rama and Lakshmana not at ashramam, you are abducting Sitamma. This is not something supposed to be done by great soldiers. Yudhyasya yadisurosi, come on, if you are strong enough, come and fight with me. Like this, Jatayu said and immediately jumped upon Ravana Nipapata Bhrusam Prushte. He jumped upon the back of Ravana and started peeling out Ravana's skin. Then Ravana could not bear that. Repeatedly Jatayu attacking on him, Ravana got so much angry and suddenly he turned around, Saparishvajya Vaidehim Vamena Ankena Ravanaha, while holding Sitamma in his left shoulder. Ravana immediately turned around and with his right palm he just hit the Jatayu very hardly. Then Jatayu also, while revolving around Ravana, Vamabahun Desa, Jatayu cut 10 shoulders of Ravana. After Jatayu cut left 10 shoulders of Ravana, again immediately those shoulders coming out, just like as and how the snakes comes out of the snake pit. That is how again those 10 shoulders came out magically. Then Ravanasura kept Sitamma down on the floor and Ravana started hitting Jatayu and started kicking Jatayu. Then there was a big fight between Ravana and Jatayu. Jatayu trying very hard and Jatayu, for sake of Ramachandra Swami, he is not giving up. At that time, Ravanasura has taken his big sword and cut the wings of Jatayu, cut the legs of Jatayu. At that time, Jatayu fell down, Nipapata hato grudhro dharanyam alpajivitaha. With just a last breath, Jatayu fell down on the floor. When Jatayu fell down like that and there is so much of blood around him, Sitamma has seen Abhyadhavata Vaidehi Swabandhum Ivadukhita. Sitamma came running to Jatayu and started crying by holding Jatayu. Sitamma crying as if a very close relative is going to be dying. Sitamma calling Rama, saying that, "Oh Rama, can you not see? This big danger is happening to me. With my misfortune, I am going to lose Jatayu also. Oh Rama, Lakshmana, Trahimam, please come and protect me, please come and protect me." Like that, Sitamma screaming, calling as if Rama and Lakshmana is very close to the place where this is happening. Now Ravanasura looking at Sitamma when she is calling and taking Rama Lakshmana. Ravanasura came close to Sitamma while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.